To create a new meeting workspace, we're creating a SharePoint site, and that means you have to have the correct permission. There is no difference in permission for creating a workspace, for creating a site. They're all sites. So I'm in an existing team site right now, and I'm going to go to my Site Actions menu and click the option that says New Site. If you don't have that option, you don't have the permission to make a new site or a new workspace. When I select that option, if I have Silverlight installed, I'll see this particular menu option. If I don't have Silverlight installed, I'll see a more simple web page, but the result is the same. Silverlight just has a more graphically friendly way of looking at this stuff. You don't get any different abilities in either option. So I can make a team site, a blank site, a document workspace, or there's 5 kinds of meeting workspace. Now, they're not all that different from each other, and I do invite you, if you have the correct permissions, to just make one of each, take a look at them, shrug, and then get rid of them, because they're really quite similar to each other. They're just different focuses. The social meeting workspace, for example, has a place to put photos and directions to the event. The basic meeting workspace, a bit more formal, but they both work the same way. So what do I have to do? I have to give this site a title. Let's say we give it the title of this meeting is for the weekly review meeting. And I'm going to give it a URL, which will be, of course, based on the URL I'm currently on. If I see up here in my address bar, I'm in my site, which is ldcsharepoint.com/sites/classic. And then I've got a little bit of site pages, home.aspx, but that's not important. If I mouse over here, I'll see the same address, /site/classic. And it will be under that address. So I can put whatever I want. Again, I don't like to use spaces in my URL names, but that's a personal preference. And click Create. We now have a meeting workspace that we can use. Again, everything that you do on a typical meeting workspace is driven from this one page. This is where I add objectives. This is where I add entries to the agenda. It's where I upload documents. It's where I can add attendees. While a meeting workspace won't automatically be deleted, the expectation is that this is probably only relevant for a few days or weeks, and after that you can get rid of it. It follows typical SharePoint site rules, so it can be customized if you want it to be customized, although when you're working with a meeting workspace, it's more typical that it's pretty casual, it's pretty standard SharePoint stuff, so that people just make one, use it, and then delete it when they're done.